What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. It is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard on a Thursday. And December 15th. Halfway through almost. Christmas is coming for all y'all who celebrate it. Happy holidays. If you don't, happy time off. All right, so I figured I'd do a morning analysis for my trades and share that with you. And for BTC and ETH. If I don't see anything, I might switch to a different coin like XRP or Matic. But if that sounds like a good time, let's get it. I'm gonna make myself tiny. Okay, cool. Screen up here. I am totally 100% here for you and for me. All right, so I refrained from trading yesterday. I am learning some new stuff and I'm very excited. And I will be looking for specific styles of entries, and I'm going to show those to you now if I see them. All right, so I'm going to dip out to the weekly. So the week started forming a green candle. So we're looking at, at least for the week, mostly longs. But yesterday may have changed that sentiment a bit because we appear to be today forming a very red candle. And wow, this would technically be, if it finishes up, it could be forming an evening star on the daily. Now, whether or not it's forming it at an important area, let's see. It's just for my long-term guys, for my day swing traders. Wow, yeah. So if it forms it, it's a nice green. If it's a nice red candle, I mean, from this support and resistance area, who knows? You might be able to take a short, right? And it is a lower high from this low, so that would be rough. At minimum, you could be aiming for 16 something, 15,987, and then down to this lows, 15,493. Okay, something like that. But anyway, I am not a swing trainer, so I'm going to dump into the 1 hour to make ourselves big. I'm trying to keep, and I'll take this off. So, look at it. Isn't it a beautiful consolidation, manipulation, and expansion? I was dreaming about it. It's like, it's probably forming the power of 3 on this one. And it did. Boom, boom, boom. Still salty about my trade that went like gangbusters, but what am I to do about that? Nothing. Okay, cool. All right, so what do we have to work with at the moment? So first things first, we're just into the day. What's this? It says lightning bolt. Headlines: Russian energy companies crack down on domestic crypto miners. Not good news. Satoshi's vision in crypto's top 5 and reasons will surprise you. Bitcoin analyst says pivot coming as US inflation eases. Cool. That's new. At least it's the first time I've noticed it. I see it on like the stock stuff or the e-minis or something like that, but never on the Bitcoin chart. So thanks, TradingView. All right. So this is the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday, and we have been chugging along sideways today. Dang it, let's go on to 15 minutes. Wow, that is messed up. So technically, if we're going to be thinking about, are we serious right now? We're chugging along in this little area here. We made a lower high, higher low. We've got this low down here. These are technically equal lows, so could pull the price down. So what I'm going to think about now is there's a particular thing that I'm going to look for. So right now, this is like the high right here. And we've got this imbalance. So I'm going to mark that out as an imbalance to be a little bit above that, since we've eaten a little bit of it. So the imbalance right there, so they could tap it. So what I'm looking for technically is, and let me just do this. This is the high of today. We've probably got some shorts, some buy liquidations up here. So, and then let me do that. So that's buy side liquidity, approximately, and bring it down. Yeah. So once this is broken, if it is broken, there's also this equal highs up here that could potentially be it if they choose not to go all the way back up to there. So I have a couple of targets, right? So what I would be looking for is, once this is broken, looking for a retracement, like market structure break of some sort. So potential could be looking for a break above here, then a retracement, a little bit of a thing like that, and then we'll continue down, and then I'll look for something going to this imbalance right here, or this area down here. Basically something into the discount zone technically. So we'll see how price plays out. So ultimately, I'm looking for something in this general vicinity at the top of this thing. So I'm looking for like a range breakout, you know, and then ride it down to this guy. That'd be like a 2 to 5.4. If they want to go even lower, then I really should be aiming for the base of this thing. So we'll see how that works out. All right, let's take a look at Ethereum. And similar scenario, right? They had this green weekly candle. It's not looking it's not looking like it's trying to form into an evening star. So that one, we'll take that one as it comes. But we are weakening further down, so I don't know. But on the daily, we are also forming a red day today. So I'm looking for shorts. Ooh, news for Ethereum. Crypto adoption. MetaMask wallet teams up with PayPal. Nice. I just saw something from Thomas Carlo talking about that. Ethereum active duration is at highest since May 2021. Is that good news? I don't know. Ethereum price resilience gives us pause, but not out of the woods yet. I have to give it props though. It hasn't really gone very far, right? Since like it's come up to tap. Wow. Oh, yeah. So that's what I was waiting for yesterday. And I didn't take it, right? I was waiting for it to come in here, tap this buy side liquidity, and then come back down, which it did beautifully. But I was busy at work, so I couldn't trade it. It's all right. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So I'm keeping my charts as clean as I can now. It's hilarious. I looked at my first lessons learned, and it was so busy, so much stuff on the charts. I'm slowly trading away from that. Isn't that cute? Trading away from. Anyway, so they've eaten this buy side liquidity up here. And then beautiful, beautiful drop down from that space. Not to mention swing failure. Boom. Internal swing failure. Boom. Definitely looking for a short from that one. But that is dead and dusted. So let's see what we got today for a range to play with. We got this imbalance. Let's go ahead and mark that puppy up. And let's also focus on where price could go. Nice imbalance down here. Didn't do that on my BTC, so I'll go back and rectify that. So if it breaks below, right? So on the 1 hour, we still have a higher low, right? So if we break below to make a lower low, because technically, if we really look at it, where are we? Let's see. I was thinking perhaps we were hanging out at a price last, an area the price last hung out at it. We kind of have. We scroll to the left. Oh my goodness, yes, boom, boom. SR area, beautiful. Let me mark that out. So this could be an area where we see prices kind of stalled at a good area to have used as like a target for take profit too. All right, let's get on to the 15-minute. All right, what do we have? Oof. Okay, so far today, I'm just looking for the highest high and the lowest low for the day. So if we break above this, just make sure I'm good. Approximation right there. So our highest area for the day is here. This imbalance is kind of far up. Let me fix that a little bit. Eating some of it right there. Good. So if we're going to continue on down lower, I'm looking for a similar scenario. And let's see. This is what from yesterday, midnight. Yeah, close enough. Let's go from there. So I'm looking for a sell side liquidity run. Let me just use this. It's easier for me to place. So we're looking for a buy side liquidity run from here. So liquidations. Okay. So I'm looking for that right there. So perhaps if we make a run to it, there's also these internal ones up here, almost equal highs as well, that we could bust into. So whichever one, and then we see what we're looking for. Also broken above this internal space and turned around, it looks like. Let's look at the 2-minute on that just to see if we are seeing. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. So, yup, ate through that. Then we broke below this. We made ourselves a nice fair value gap. And just for funsies, let me mark that out. A little fair value gap right here for a short. So we had a nice run up and we broke above this, closed above it. Nice strong candle down up. The space between here and here is the fair value gap, which means I could potentially enter for a short here, right at this price right here. Actually, I'm going to do exactly that with my stop loss right above here. And then I can aim for this imbalance down here. Cool. All right. Let's pop open our calculator and see what that gets us. Let's open this up. So entry price is 12.90.70. It's gonna be for a short. So 12.90.70. Let's profit is at 12.86.18. And this is me trying to figure out if it's worth it at all, right? To take the trade. And then 12.91.84 is my stop loss approximately. Okay, so I want to risk 1%. So yeah, just about. Risk reward to 4, and I'd get that back, sure, and then I'd lose that if I'm wrong. Okay, let's pop into BitGet and let's set that up. So let's entry 12.90.77. Let's do a post only. 12.90.77. Okay, and then profit level 12.86.18. Oops, over here. Still not. 18, and then our stop loss is 12.91.81. That's pretty close, the stop loss. What do you guys think? And sell short on Ethereum. So let's clear this all out of here. Okay, so my open order is there. And I'm just curiously looking here. So I have a 1%. 1%. What? That can't be right. Hold on. Oh, sorry guys. That's weird. Really? Just 1%? That's not worth it. This says, should I put it above this thing? And then we can aim for the base of this thing. Hmm. That's 1282.91. Hmm. That's a small hit, isn't it? 1282.91. 3%. Hmm. I don't know what you guys think. I don't know if that, I don't think that's worth it. But the calculation says it's a 0.096. Why does Bit get 0.045? 0.0396, 5x leverage. Hmm. All right, let's cancel that for the moment and reassess really quickly here. It is a small range, isn't it? 1291. What if we pop into this further? This is on the 2 minute. And maybe we should aim for the imbalance instead, right? 1273. That's what we should aim for. All right, let's readjust that. So 1273.63 instead. Oopsie. 1273.63. Let's do that. And then this will be 1292.84, something like that. So short. Okay. And I think I wanted my entry a little bit further into the imbalance. But let's see. So yeah, that's 1290.82. Okay. All right, so let's see how that changes things. So 6% profit, 1% loss. Okay. I feel like I need to give it more room to breathe. What do you guys think? Let's put the ATR on top of that. Add the ATR. Okay, the ATR is 0.61. So it's not really that much. On top of it, let's get our calculator. 0.61 plus this guy, 1292.53. 1292.53. 1293.14. Okay. So let's adjust this to 1293.14. Okay, confirm. All right, there we go. So let's see if that plays out. All right, guys. All right, so that's what I'm thinking on Ethereum. And let me just mark out why I'm thinking that. This is, let me also say buy side liquidity. If I'm wrong on that one, fine. And then I'll enter when it busts past this one up here. All right. Cool, cool. All right. Awesome sauce. Well, this is going to probably play out relatively soon here. So let's see how it goes. You guys trade safely. Drop a comment, like, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you feel like it. And hey, Shakira out.